Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on your Ford Escape. First, gather all your tools and supplies, including new oil, a new filter, a drain pan, and a wrench. Next, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it on jack stands. This ensures your safety and provides easy access to the underside of the car. Finally, locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter. Once your vehicle is safely elevated, position your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old engine oil to completely drain out. This usually takes several minutes. While the oil is draining, prepare to remove the old oil filter. Be mindful of any remaining oil that might spill when you loosen it. Ensure a clean removal. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like for more great content. And speaking of keeping your car in top shape, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener to keep things fresh. You can find links to this and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Before installing the new oil filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then securely replace the drain plug. Now, carefully refill your engine with the manufacturer-recommended type and amount of new engine oil. Double-check your oil level using the dipstick to ensure it's within the proper range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.